How to download and install the Claude AI app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Claude up and running on your device in just a few steps. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Search tab at the bottom center of the screen. From there, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Claude. At this point, tap the search button on your keyboard to pull up the results. In the next step, find the Claude app from the results and tap on it to open its page and see more details about the app. Following this, tap Install to begin downloading the app onto your device. Once done, wait for the installation to complete. It should only take a few seconds, depending on your connection speed. Finally, once it's installed, tap Open to launch Claude for the first time and sign in or create an account to get started. And that's it. If this guide helped you download and install the Claude AI app on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.